Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, it is going to be really quick. Is the user interested in taking a cruise? This one is really easy. We just have to judge the query and answer if the query shows intent to book a cruise. Okay. I don't want to go through the guidelines, but you can read the guidelines. It should be really easy. As again, I've mentioned earlier, it's just a question whether um, the user is looking to book a cruise or not. Okay, so let's jump into the head. It is the qualification round. Carnival Cruise Lines, that's definitely a yes. Disney Galactic Star Cruiser, that's definitely a yes. Tom Cruise, Top Gun, no. Uh, TUI Cruises, as one of the most energy efficient ships, yes. Hold on. This is confusing. Let's pull it up. TUI. Okay. All right. This is going to be a yes. Carnival Cruise Line, definitely a yes. Casino Cruise app, definitely no. Unfortunately, it's a no. It's an app. Hold on a sec. Please get a screenshot of this error. I'm gonna pause a bit. There you go. Virgin Cruises, yes. YouTube video, Volvo Cruise, no. Cruise critic message boards, no. Okay, this one is a yes. Please get a screenshot of it. I made an error there. PO Cruise, yes. Cruise Special, yes. This one, if you see this, you can disregard it, okay, and just consider this query. So it's a yes. Hold on. Let me go back to product. How many? 20 hits. It's a lot. Battleship Online, definitely a no. No for this one. Tom Cruise movies, no. Tom Cruise Scotland, no. Regent Seven Seas cruises, yes. Cruise, it could be a meaning of cruise or whatnot, but the top five results will be related to cruise, so it's a yes. Gay cruises, I'm not sure what that is, but I would say yes. Best user Europe cruises, yes. All included Caribbean cruise, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I'm rushing this up. You have passed the qualification, so it is the head app called is the user interested in taking a cruise. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. We will upload more videos as we encounter new head apps or if I find something interesting and easy to work on and it is high paying. I'll go ahead and create a video for that. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment down below. And again, please do not subscribe to the channel. I would like to mention India. You guys are the best. Thank you for supporting the channel. You are a huge contributor to the subscriber and our watch hours. I really hope that we are helping you out. Again, our Facebook group is Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our channel for you to be able to join and answer the relevant membership questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.